this is a video of my setup every time I go out there to make videos, and for some people who are looking to invest in camera, here's my opinion based on experience.
What's up guys, Midekali here and welcome back to another unboxing video. We have Zhiyun Crane M3 gimbal and we have Overheating like M2 wireless mic. It's very tiny, like as tiny as a button.
Okay, so my setup remains a Sony ZV E10 camera, a Zhiyun Crane M3, Rode wireless mic Go 2, and ND filters, cooling fan, chargers and power bank. First of all is the lightweight feature. This setup is not as heavy as some people's camera alone. So first off, you need to get the camera that shoots 4K, and I use a ZV E10. It has the perfect size and lightweight. The question remains, will I upgrade from a ZV E10 to the ZV E10 Mark II? Well, I'm staying with my ZV E10 because it shoots 4K same as the new one, and based on what I've seen from every review video so far, they both lack stabilization. So adding a gimbal will actually stabilize your video. A lot of people might be like, oh, you need a monopod, something just to hold the camera up while you're vlogging and stuff, but come on, by the time you're walking fast on the road, not being cautious about your movements, and by the time you review your footage, you get to see how shaky it is and all. Now let's talk about gimbal. The latest and cheapest gimbal right now is the Zhiyun 3E. WeBe 3E. So people might be like, why are you getting the old one? Bro, I would stick with this one because the M3E doesn't have a fill light, right? But this has a fill light and it has a screen touch, which is like literally all of the same new tech. So all you just need to do is update your firmware and it does everything. When you're out there, the camera overheats. I had to do something about it, so I got a Ulanzi fan to cool my camera. Why do we wear shades when we are outside? So you get an ND filter for your lens to perform the shade feature whenever you are under the sun and out there. Also, you need extra pairs of memory cards, something that travels very fast. I think for a vlogger, 128 gig is enough because they're not really shooting movies and all of those things. But yeah, if you have two pairs of 128 gig, or if you want to invest in just a single 256 gig, that is cool. But I think the most affordable most times out there is 128 gig for vloggers. It has a variety of modes. There's the pan and follow, there's the vertex mode, there's the POV, there's the lock, there's the go. At a push of a button, you can switch from POV to selfie mode. I'm sure the battery will last me for as long as I'm out there making my videos, and I can always charge it, put a power bank in my backpack. Then you can always control the gimbal through your mobile phone. You can always control the camera from your mobile phone. You can always control your mic through the mobile phone. So the question remains, should you upgrade? Should you get these things at the time you are watching this video? Yes, you should, because they are very tangible. They are coming and they are specifically designed for content creators. If you are just entering the market, I think you should get the newer versions if you can afford it. But if you have all of these things, I don't see any reason for you to upgrade because there's nothing literally new. It's just the same old.